Hi and welcome back to my channel. This week I'm going to show you how I upcycled my daughter's old t-shirt. First I turned her shirt inside out and made sure it laid flat on the table. I wanted to make sure I saved the graphic on the front of the t-shirt, so I squared off the t-shirt by cutting straight all the way up on each side of the graphic, and then I cut right below the neckline. And then I placed the fabric right sides to right sides and I sewed up each side. On one of the sides I did leave a 2 to 3 inch gap so I can fill it with pillow fluff. And since this is a stretchy material, I did use a zigzag stitch. Now it's time to flip it right sides out and fill it up with pillow fluff. And to close it up, I just use a ladder stitch for the hole. Once the stitch was done, to hide the tails of the thread, you just put the needle through the inside of the pillow, come out one side, pull it tight, and then clip it off. That way the tails are hidden inside. And here's the completed pillow. This is a great way to recycle old t-shirts that might have gotten holes or stains or anything along those lines. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you next week. Bye!